at the boat there. Stay, behave. Look at the boat. Right. Ito ang aking assistant nito. Assistant na magulo. Muna tayo bunay ng ano, yachts. Look at that. Okay, let's go for a walk. Let's go. That's the Story Bridge. Now Gateway Bridge. Ito kami ngayon sa ano nga ito, Bulimba, and it's high tide today. Yeah, look, it's showing a play on the water. You know? It's play on the water. Come here. We'll go other side. We'll go other side. We'll go other side here. Yeah. Come to me. What's this? It's a grass shack. Never seen a but this. Ito may ano ito, wild turkey ang nag-ipon ng damo na yan. Nag-high tide dito kasi. It's high tide today, buddy. Okay, jump. Jump. It's not jump. It's high tide today, buddy. High tide today. Doon ang mga mahaling apartments. Milyon. Siguro ano yan, mga at least between 800 to 1,200 per week rental Australian dollar. You know, pwede kang mag-anchor dito ng ano, ng mga yachts mo for free. Oh, giwi ang aming baby. Giwi lang. You know. Brisbane River po to. Brisbane River, yun po ang Gateway Bridge. Uy, may nagpasura dito, no? What's in there, bunny? We're not going there. Baka may crocodile dyan. Heh. Baka may crocodile. Palaban tayo. First time niya lang makarating dito eh. Yeah. Shake, shake. Uy, ba't may nagbasura dito ng... Shouldn't be littering in here. It's not Australian way to do this thing. Dalawang soft drinks. I couldn't pick them up because my hands are busy. Okay, Bunny, you're with me? High tide po. Yung maingay na yun, Singapore, Buenos Aires, Singapore. Ano ang niloload ng mga yan? Coal. Tabi ng mga yate oh. Yan, libre sila nakapark dyan. Yung apartment na yun, sa dulo na yun, ang mamahal nun. Tabi ng river. Yan oh. Dito po ang mga bahay na malapit sa river. Yan ang bahay ng mayayaman. Sa Pilipinas, kabaligtaran naman. Kabaligtaran. Sorry po mga idol, but that's the reality. Pero libre po ang parking diyan ng ano yan, ng mga yate na yan. Uy, Buday, look, the water is getting big, bigger and bigger. Won't be able to lahila ako. Where you going? Hang on, hang on. Hang on, wait. Kasi mong wait, nagwi-wait yan eh. Okay. Ayan. Si Mega Love shoutout. I-upload natin ng ano, ang good view. Okay, for the meantime, that's the Gateway Bridge of Brisbane. And sign off. Make it just 8 minutes. Oh shit, what's that? Sorry. I saw a big fish. It's climbing there. Up in the water. Hang on. Wait. What's in there? Okay. Ito yung aking assistant. Ano? Sa pamamasyal. Okay.